Update Excel upload file. The Excel upload file update section will help you understand how to update the Excel upload file as well as identify key fields. The Summary tab. The Troops Forwarding Order Upload tab. This is the tab where we'll be adding all the transportation details needed to generate a forwarding order in TM. For this demo, we will be populating the Troops Inter Air Inbound Excel upload file in order to create a forwarding order in TM for an intermission transfer from Kinshasa to Bangui managed by MONUSCO. The source city corresponds to the start location, the airport in this case. For this demo, we will use Kinshasa. Destination city corresponds to the destination location, airport, and for this demo, we will be using Bangui. Pickup date. For the pickup date, we can only add present or future dates. For this example, we will be using today's date. Delivery date. For the delivery date, we can only add present or future dates. For this example, we will be using tomorrow's date. TOD refers to the rotation cycle, either 6 or 12 months. The cabin and cargo baggage allowance is calculated based on this entry. For this case, I will use 12. Troops. This is the number of passengers for this particular movement. The number of flights is based on this entry. For example, 220 pax equals 1 flight, 440 pax equals 2 flights. If the plane capacity is lower or higher than 220, the flight number determining the formula could be adjusted. For this example, I will add 220. In general, if the missions have smaller planes, the calculation basis of 220 per flight could be reduced to any other plane capacity. Unit. The unit refers to the unit the troops belong to. For example, BAT for battalion, AVU for aviation unit, and FPU for formed police unit. For this demo, we will use FPU. Movement type. The movement type is the field used to select between inter or intra-mission transfers. We will use inter for this case. Incoterm is the field we will add the corresponding Incoterm for this transportation proposal. This field is linked to the movement type. For intermission movements, X works if receiving mission plans transportation, DAP if sending mission plans transportation, and for intramission transfers, DAP is defaulted. We will be adding X works as it is an intermission movement. TCC-PCC is the troops or police contributing country. For example, here we will use Senegal. We will have to add the wildcard symbol before and after the country added in order to have the VLOOKUP work properly. We will be using Senegal. Sending mission. This is the sending mission name, which is also known as the shipper field. We will use MONUSCO. For receiving mission, which is the receiving mission name, which is also known as the consignee field, we will add MINUSCA. The other fields that are not highlighted in red will auto-populate and update as the planners add or change data in the corresponding required fields of the Excel upload file.